nigga.
Nigga, what?
Yo, I fucking shot you in every part of your body. You fucking stood there. This is gonna piss me off so much. Yeah, nigga. I give up. I give up. Yo, I see you pull an all-nighter, then we go play ball.
And then the next night,
That's how the real ballers do it.
And we're not going to
Yeah,
the
boy.
next day.
Yeah, we go. I didn't say we can't take a nap tomorrow. Like shit. Yeah, get him, Luck. Oh, that sucks.
What the fuck are you doing?
what was he shooting at?
I'm fucking Rambo.
So bad. Oh my god. That's hilarious.
You're supposed to be inside the building, not outside. We had a deal.
When did we make a deal?
No,
You
fuck
Get
you
inside your
didn't.
fucking building.
This nigga's doing.
Oh, I shot myself. Who got the helicopter? Like, really? Fucking pussy ass shit. Where's the helicopter at? Wait, look, is that yours?
I have it.
Oh, alright, good. I won't shoot it then.
I won't shoot it then.
He's just so stupid.
Bill, eat dick.
Oh yeah, technically you should have. No, you are texting this girl. Shit.